Coming up is a snapshot review of Yen Models scale modelling accessories. My name is James Giffins and I am the Model Officer. Yen Models scale modelling accessories. A great product in addition to any diorama in which you want to make. These are in fact laser cut, high density silk board, extra smooth cardboard. Now I've got to be honest with you, I think the quality of these is really great, and when I first got hold of them I actually thought they were wood, but Yen has put me right on that and made sure that I'm aware that they are actually, like I say, high density silk board, very smooth, extra smooth cardboard. So without further ado, let's take one of these apart and have a look at them. So here we have the Lancet window set. Let's take it out of the packet and see what it looks like, and I can explain in further detail how it works. It is basically a kit. There are 3 sections to this, and like I say, bear with me while I just take them out. There we go. So you've got the first section, the second section, and the last section. Highly detailed window set for you, build up really well, and they're really easy to pop out of these. All you do is get yourself a little scalpel, run it down the edge here with some tags, and they literally pop out like that, and you build them up in the sets. So that would be the back, that would be the middle section, and that would be the front. Now all of these have got numbers on each set, so you can't go wrong. 3, 2, obviously the last one is 1. We've taken it out. I'm not going to take all of them out in this review, and the reason being is I have actually used one of these sets, and I'll show you what they look like when they're in place. That's what you can achieve. Brilliant detail, and make any diorama absolutely sing. Here's some other examples of Yen Models accessories. Some of the pictures are supplied by Yen himself. So thank you for watching the snapshot review. Please make sure you check out the rest of the channel. There are some great things going on right now with our build series, How I Do Dioramas. Check that out, and we hope to see you back here soon. Bye bye for now.